एजुकेशन में रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कैसे ली जाए? We refund the entire fee back. As many as more than 1,000 companies who visit Sunstone. This is the main advantage of Sunstone.
We welcome you warmly to today's digital e-event which is hashtag Sunstone AMA Fridays episode 8 and आज हम बात करने वाले हैं prioritizing your placements from day one जहाँ पर हम in details डिस्कस करने वाले हैं Sunstone के placement accountability program यानी कि PAP के बारे में and इसके काफी interesting insights आज आप सबको मिलने वाले हैं from our keynote speaker Mr. Piyush.
Now coming on to PAP, Placement Accountability Program. This is a program which we designed to establish accountability. Education में responsibility कैसे ली जाए? उसके लिए we established this Placement Accountability Program where we guarantee you placement and you only have to maintain your attendance, and if you maintain your attendance and still if we are not able to place you, we refund the entire fee back. That's the kind of confidence which we are able to put in the education and in the faculties who will be teaching you. So that's in a nutshell about Placement Accountability Program. It's a unique program. Nobody else in the country offers this. This philosophy of starting from the corporate, then building on the curriculum, then training the faculty according to that, is able to, churn out. We are able to churn out graduates who are completely industry ready and वो day zero से अपना job perfectly कर सकते हैं. Which is why we are able to even, put this kind of accountability program for our students. As many as more than 1,000 companies who visit Sunstone every year. Compare that to any institute in the country. This number you won't find anywhere. So that's the reason we are so confident and we are able to place 100% of our students. The terms and conditions are that you have to maintain 75% of your attendance. Your fee due should be paid in time. If these conditions are met, then you will get this feedback, the Placement Accountability Program, get placed or get your feedback. Placement is as much a responsibility of the institute as it is of the students. The one thing which we can really say is data, and around 250 plus students got jobs more than 6 LPA. Around 300 students got more than one job offer. Plus, our very flexible placement policy also allows you to take much higher CTC jobs later on, even if you are placed in a lower CTC job. नहीं, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. हम सभी इंडस्ट्रीज के साथ बराबर काम करते हैं, बट मैं आपको हमारी अप्रोच बताता हूँ. So the way we approach is we scan the industry, current trends, and where is it going in the future. For example, we know that in India, a lot of GCCs are coming in. GCC stands for Global Captive Units. You can search for that. So now there are two major roles which are coming. One is the tech roles, development roles, testing roles, coding roles. So one is these roles which will be coming from GCCs. The other roles which are going to come is the various finance and accounting roles, accounts payable, accounts receivable, those roles. So now we know that these are going to be great future trends and GCCs हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा future set of employers है. तो हम उसके लिए हमारा कोर्स, हमारी टीचिंग, हम उसके लिए फिर बनाना शुरू करते हैं. This is the main advantage of Sunstone. We have our curriculum being revisited every 6 months, not every 6 years.